Nag-iisip ka bang bumili ng mga China ROM na cellphone? Tara, pag-usapan natin ano bang meron sa China ROM at Global ROM. Dito yan sa Celsius Tech. Tatlong bagay lang naman ang pinagkaiba ng China ROM at Global ROM. Unang-una dito ang Google Play Services at Google Play. Kapag kasi bumili ka ng phone na China ROM, wala po itong Google Play at Google Play Services. Instead, makakuha ka ng Chinese app na Xiaomi Store, Huawei App Gallery, Vivo Store, at Oppo Store. In addition to this, some apps will not work properly, such as BDO, GCash, YouTube, Facebook, and other banking apps na big deal siya. Next naman is the network compatibility, in which the China ROM is specific for China. Yung mga network dito ay for China lang po talaga siya. So, which, kapag bumili ka ng phone, yung mga network nyo ay magkakaroon ng network issues, especially kapag galing kang probinsya. Gagana man siya sa mga big cities. But, yun nga, 5G or LTE will not work if you are in a province. Third is the software updates and the privacy. This is a big deal since the China ROM is specific for China nga, yung privacy nila ay magkaiba dito sa atin at sa kanila. In which may mga apps na hindi gagana dahil nga sa ganitong Data Privacy Act. In addition to this, the software updates for China ROM is much more faster compared to a global ROM. Ngayon, when it comes to the China ROM and global ROM, if you are a tech savvy or you don't mind tweaking your phone, well, this is an option that you can consider. But if you want to remove the hassle, then global ROM is for you, in which this is much more safer compared than buying a China ROM. But nonetheless, China ROM and global ROM, they're both okay. And tag your friend kung mga kailangan pa ng mga ganitong tips and follow for more videos. This is Celsius, and I'm your tech guy here in TikTok, and I'm out.